You ever walk into a room full of people, maybe a party, a new job, or even a coffee shop, and instantly feel like you're wearing an invisibility cloak? Like everyone got a memo on how to connect except you? Yeah, been there. Let me tell you about the time I stood awkwardly by a snack table at a birthday party for 47 minutes. That's right, 47 minutes. I counted. I smiled, nodded, did the old slow chew to avoid conversation trick, and not one soul approached me. But here's the twist. That same evening, I walked out with not one, but 2 new friends. How? That's what this video is all about. Because making friends isn't some magical superpower reserved for extroverts, influencers, or people who use literally correctly. It's a skill. And today, I'm going to show you how to build it. Hey, I'm glad you're here. Because if you've ever felt like friendship is this weird, mysterious thing everyone else just gets, you're not alone. We're going to break it down, step by step, like a trusted friend walking you through the secrets no one told you. No corny scripts, no fake advice like, just be yourself. We'll talk about why that's not super helpful later. Just real, honest strategies that work, whether you're in high school, in a new city, or just feeling a little disconnected lately. Here's what you can expect in this video. We'll unpack the 3 blocks that stop you from making friends. Then I'll share the connection framework, a simple, repeatable process to go from stranger to friend. And finally, 5 tiny wins you can try today that build instant connection. Sounds good? All right, let's go. Let's start with what gets in the way. Because if we don't clear the roadblocks, even the best advice won't stick. Block number 1, the everyone's already got their group. Ever told yourself, they've already got their circle. I'd just be intruding? It feels true, but it's not. Most people are open to new friends. They're just waiting for someone else to make the first move. Studies show adults crave more meaningful social connections, but don't know how to initiate them. So no, you're not late to the party. You're right on time. Block number 2, fear of rejection. This one's huge. What if I reach out and they say no, or worse, give me that blank, polite smile and slowly back away? Here's the truth. Rejection happens, but it's rarely personal. People are busy, distracted, or going through their own stuff. One meh conversation doesn't mean you're unlikable. It means timing, context, or chemistry was off. That's it. Block number 3. The perfection trap, thinking you have to say the right thing, be charming, or have your life together before making friends. Nah. In fact, people connect more over shared imperfections than curated perfection. Vulnerability is magnetic. You don't have to impress. Just be present. Okay, now that we've cleared the roadblocks, let's get to the good stuff. Here's a simple process you can use in almost any setting: school, work, online, even waiting in line for coffee. It's called SAFE, SAFE. S. Start small. Big friendships begin with small moments. A quick comment, a compliment, or a shared observation. Look for openings. Someone wearing a cool shirt, someone fumbling with their stuff, or standing alone. Start there. A. Ask real questions. Not just, how are you? Which we all autopilot through, but something real. Try. What's something you're excited about this week? How'd you end up doing this job, class, event? Real questions invite real stories. F. Find common ground. Once you ask, listen. Look for overlap. Music taste, shared city, both love weird documentaries. This is your friendship fuel. When you find something in common, light up. Show you care. That energy is contagious. E. Extend the invite. This is where most people stop, but this is the golden move. Say something like, "You're cool, we should grab coffee sometime. I'm thinking of checking out that new bookstore. Want to join?" The goal isn't a lifelong commitment. It's a small bridge to the next interaction. That's how real friendships grow. Now let's get super practical. These 5 things take less than a minute but open major friendship doors. 1. The 3-second smile rule. When you make eye contact, hold it for 3 seconds and smile. Just 3 seconds. Not in a creepy way. Just enough to say, "Hey, I'm open to connection." You'd be surprised how many friendships begin with a smile. 2. Share one small truth. Next time someone says, "How's your day?" instead of "Good," try, "Honestly, it's been a little rough, but I'm powering through. Pretty good. Had an amazing sandwich, not gonna lie." It opens space for realness. 3. The name drop technique. Use someone's name when you say goodbye. "Good talking to you, Sarah." Names create warmth. They show attention. People notice. 4. Celebrate their wins. Did they mention something they're working on? Follow up. Remember it. Say, "Hey, how'd that interview go?" This turns a casual chat into something that feels like care. 5. Be first. Be the first to say hello. First to send the text. First to wave. Most people are waiting for someone else to go first. When you do, you become that person, the one everyone wants around. Making friends doesn't mean being the loudest person in the room or knowing all the right words. It's about showing up, being real, and building small bridges every day. Remember the 3 things that block us. Thinking everyone already has their people. Fear of rejection. Trying to be perfect, and now you've got the SAFE framework. Start small. Ask real questions. Find common ground. Extend the invite, and you've got 5 quick wins you can use today. Here's a challenge. Try just one of these today. Smile at someone. Ask a deeper question. Send a, "Hey, want to grab coffee?" text. Just one. Because friendship isn't built in one dramatic moment. It's built in dozens of tiny ones. And hey, if no one's told you lately, you're worth knowing. The world needs your weirdness, your kindness, your story. So go make a friend today. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, or share it with someone who might need a little encouragement too. You never know who's quietly standing by their own snack table, waiting to connect. You got this. I'm cheering you on. See you in the next one.